Hello everyone and welcome to this long English shadowing practice. If you want to speak English more confidently and improve your fluency, this practice is for you. Today we will repeat many sentences about daily life, confidence, and personal growth. This session is like a full workout for your English speaking muscles. Shadowing is a simple but powerful method. You listen carefully and then repeat exactly what you hear. You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the intonation. When you practice this way, you train your ears, your mouth, and your brain at the same time. You are not only studying English, you are using English. During this practice, each sentence will be spoken 2 times. Your job is simple. Repeat after each sentence, loudly and clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. Just stay focused and keep going until the end. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Let's begin. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I am ready to practice English today. I am ready to practice English today. I believe in my ability to improve. I believe in my ability to improve. Every word I speak makes me better. Every word I speak makes me better. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me learn and grow. Mistakes help me learn and grow. I focus on progress, not perfection. I give myself time to learn step by step. I give myself time to learn step by step. I am building my English every day. I am building my English every day. I am stronger than my doubts. I am stronger than my doubts. Today I choose confidence. Today I choose confidence. I wake up feeling motivated to learn. I wake up feeling motivated to learn. I start my day with positive thoughts. I start my day with positive thoughts. I prepare myself for a productive day. I prepare myself for a productive day. I smile and remind myself that I can succeed. I smile and remind myself that I can succeed. I plan a few minutes for English practice. I plan a few minutes for English practice. Small daily practice brings big results. Small daily practice brings big results. I am grateful for another chance to improve. I am grateful for another chance to improve. I check my learning goals for today. I check my learning goals for today. I believe in steady progress. I believe in steady progress. I am ready to use English today. I am ready to use English today. I sit in a quiet place to study. I sit in a quiet place to study. I remove distractions and focus on learning. I open my notebook and begin practicing. I open my notebook and begin practicing. I listen carefully to every word. I listen carefully to every word. I repeat sentences with clear pronunciation. My speaking becomes smoother with practice. My speaking becomes smoother with practice. I enjoy hearing my voice in English. I enjoy hearing my voice in English. I stay patient with myself. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every practice session makes me stronger. I feel proud of my effort today. I feel proud of my effort today. I say good morning with confidence. I say good morning with confidence. I listen carefully when others speak. I try to answer in English when possible. I try to answer in English when possible. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. I say, could you repeat that, please? I say, could you repeat that, please? I write down new words to remember them. I write down new words to remember them. I practice using new words in sentences. I practice using new words in sentences. I respect myself as a learner. I respect myself as a learner. I enjoy learning English every day. I enjoy learning English every day. I watch helpful English videos. I watch helpful English videos. I listen carefully to understand the message. I listen carefully to understand the message. I repeat after the speaker confidently. I repeat after the speaker confidently. I imagine speaking with real people. I imagine speaking with real people. I try to copy natural rhythm and pronunciation. I enjoy learning anywhere I go. I enjoy learning anywhere I go. My phone can help me learn new things. My phone can help me learn new things. Technology makes learning easier. I am thankful for the chance to learn English. I am thankful for the chance to learn English. I enjoy talking with friends in English. I enjoy talking with friends in English. I start simple conversations. I ask people about their day. I ask people about their day. I listen with interest and respect. I listen with interest and respect. I share my ideas clearly. I share my ideas clearly. I keep the conversation going. I laugh and enjoy the moment. I laugh and enjoy the moment. Every conversation helps me improve. Every conversation helps me improve. Real practice builds real confidence. I am happy to communicate in English. I am happy to communicate in English. I imagine traveling to a new country. I imagine traveling to a new country. I arrive at the airport feeling excited. I speak English at the check-in counter. I speak English at the check-in counter. I ask politely for information. I ask politely for information. I thank the staff for their help. I thank the staff for their help. I feel proud to speak English. I feel proud to speak English. I order food and drinks confidently. I order food and drinks confidently. I ask for directions politely. I ask for directions politely. I enjoy exploring the world with English. I accept that mistakes are part of learning. I accept that mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes do not stop my progress. Mistakes do not stop my progress. I learn something from every mistake. I forgive myself and continue practicing. I forgive myself and continue practicing. I speak even when I feel nervous. I speak even when I feel nervous. Brave people feel fear, but keep going. I choose action over fear. I choose action over fear. I focus on communication. I focus on communication. I remind myself that I improve every day. I remind myself that I improve every day. My confidence grows with practice. My confidence grows with practice. I have big dreams for my future. I have big dreams for my future. English will help me reach those dreams. I want to connect with people around the world. I want to connect with people around the world. I want to travel confidently. I want to travel confidently. I want to study or work internationally. I want to watch movies without subtitles. I want to watch movies without subtitles. I want to read books easily in English. I want to read books easily in English. I want to share my ideas with the world. English opens many doors for me. English opens many doors for me. I am willing to work hard for my dreams. I am willing to work hard for my dreams. Congratulations! You have completed this long English shadowing practice. You didn't just listen, you practiced and challenged yourself. This kind of training builds real fluency and real confidence. If you feel tired, that is normal. It means you truly used your English speaking muscles. The more you practice like this, the more natural your English will become. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep speaking English. You are closer to fluency than you think.